Take a glass of water, add 2 teaspoons of fuller's earth powder and 2 teaspoons of gram flour to it. Mix them well. Fill an ice cube tray with it and freeze it. Remove the tray once they are frozen completely. Take one ice cube and rub it gently all over your face in a circular motion. Massage it gently. You will instantly feel the cooling and soothing effect just after applying this ice cube. After using ice cube, wash off your face and apply a good moisturizer. It helps to tighten your skin and shrink large pores. Rubbing ice cubes on face improves blood circulation, thereby giving you a beautiful glowing skin naturally. Fuller's earth reduces the appearance of blemishes, scars and dark spots to a great extent. It is an excellent cleansing agent that helps to improve your skin complexion. If you struggle with acne or pimples, Fuller's Earth Ice Cube can surely treat your problem. Using gram flour for face and skin is an age-old remedy that we still use it today. Gram flour is a natural remedy to brighten the dark areas of skin and correct the uneven skin tone. It is an excellent remedy to remove dead skin cells, excess sebum and dirt effectively. It gives you a tight, clean and smooth skin. It is immensely helpful in beautifying your skin inside out, so you don't need to spend a lot of money in a beauty salon. Take 1/2 cup of rose water and add 1 teaspoon of Fuller's Earth powder to it. Mix it well and fill it in a spray bottle. Spray this concoction on your face. Your face should be clean before spraying it, free from any makeup and dirt. Let it pat dry for 10 minutes. Wash off with water and apply a good moisturizer. You can do this daily. Spray it every night before going to bed. Instead of using ice cube, you can use this remedy. You can leave this spray on your face overnight. In that case, just add little Fuller's Earth powder, not too much. Rose water helps to maintain skin's pH balance. It helps to fight acne and blemishes. It hydrates, moisturizes and revitalizes your skin. It makes your skin soft, smooth and supple. Rose water helps to strengthen skin cells and help to regenerate skin tissues. It helps to tone your skin, close open pores and has an antibacterial properties. It helps to remove clogged pores and excess oil from the skin. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Thank you for watching the video.